So for today's this presentation is about the preliminary examination and it is presented by me. So this prelim is all about the design pattern and let's proceed to the part one. So the part one is the fundamentals understanding and the question here is what is a design pattern? So according to my description here is a design pattern is reusable solution to a common problem in software design. It is like a blueprint that you can customize to solve a query in your code. Okay. And the purpose of the pattern provide pro proven solutions that save time, improve code quality, and make system easier to maintain. Developers reuse them because they've been tested. So again, according to the purpose of the design pattern is allows the developers to make the code easier and because design there's a lot of design pattern kasi and each one of them is essentials for a development of a software because um they are designed for it like observer like command any like there are three types of design pattern and let's proceed to the second again and here is we have the three types of categories of design patterns as a creational patterns that controls how objects are created, a factory assembly line that produce different car model from the same blueprint. So this is the creational one. Then the first is we have the creational pattern nga naga-create siya og objects and again assembly line that produce different car models from the same blueprint. So and the second one is we have the structural pattern. Structural pattern defines how objects are organized and connected. An adapter that lets you plug a US device into a European outlet. So the below is the what we call it that is the sample of what is the structural pattern used and last one is we have the behavioral pattern manage how objects communicate and interact a restaurant waiter who coordinates between customers and the kitchen so since we know the other design pattern like the creational, structural, and behavioral. So we from its description, we already know that what what is the kind of design pattern or like the behavioral pattern is fit for that thing. So let's proceed to the part two, creational patterns in action. So in this part two task, I choose the singleton, and the benefits of using singleton is ensures a single instance exists for efficient memory usage and offers controlled global access, ideal for shared resources as databases, connection, or application configurations. So makita na to diri sa to ang table is we have the client and si client na siya yung nag-point siya sa singleton na table and we have the verb here na use. So nag-use siya. So sa itong singleton is naka-private siya and singleton instance is that singleton and then sa to ang public na get instance uh, na singleton as well is every time na si client interact sa sa according sa diagram is it creates new kasi as you can see here it get instance here that it points a new sa singleton mag-create check new something like that so ideal for shared again singleton is ideal for shared resources as databases connections or application and any configurations and even though I mean I choose singleton, but as again, it always has a drawbacks, and the drawbacks here is unit testing is challenging due to hidden global dependencies and difficulties in mocking. Additionally, synchronized instances may be created by multiple threads. So this is the drawbacks now. So all those design pattern that there have their own drawbacks too. So we can't avoid that. So here now we can see that the whenever it gets instances as a singleton, it creates new, and the drawbacks is nasa baba. And the part three is the structural patterns and context. So here also, um, this is the adapter. Adapter. This is the this is the adapter. So the adapter translate request between an old system and an application by presenting JSON while it converts the data to XML background. So a real example using a USB-C to a USB adapter for all devices. So I've shown here the the before and after using a adapter. So makita nato there is a new app that it uses JSON and nag-error siya and then it points to the old payment system which is it used here and a XML. So makita pa nato daan diri nga this is the old and this is an old and a new and this is an old system payment. So sa diri pa lang natandaan old gen o new gen. So incompatible na siya, 'di ba? Kasi maglahi pa sila, JSON pa siya, naka-XML pa siya, and then old and new. So here is where the adapter um use because as can we see here that that's the new app like JSON and it that the like naging mediator si adapter like he serves as like the bridge in order to connect the new and the old using JSON, the new using JSON and the old one was using XML. So by the use of the adapter, so it converts JSONs to XML, 'di ba? Si adapter ang kanang murag kuan god na way para si new mo 'di ba we have the description here converts JSON to XML. Kasi if i-base na to ni siya from the word itself, it's adapt. Si new mo adapt sa old. So from here, the adapter is it converts. So we have the output na converts JSON to XML because the adapter here serves as a bridge and it serves as the path to connect them both para maka-adapt si new sa old na payment systems. So next is we have the decorator pattern versus adapter. Sa karon naman, si decorator pattern is ang purpose niya is add new functionality to existing objects without changing them, 'di ba? So maka like if we create new, so maka-add ta um of functionality is just like a house, 'di ba? Real life example. House is if mag-create lang ta or like mag-add lang ta og design, mag-add lang ta og mga decoration without um changing them. So like we can put ref, something like that, without changing the house. So something like that, a real world, that is only my a real world uh, example. So again, the purpose of the decorator pattern, so in here kasi is we're comparing between decorator versus adapter. So, the purpose of again is mag-add niya sa new functionality sa ato ang existing objects. Again, ha, functionality atong i-add and then without affecting or like changing them. So mag-add lang ta. So use when you want to extend behavior dynamically. So it's like character and then we have the command sa atong character na um something like that na magkalakaw and then after we put a decorator is na-extend na iyang behavior. So, yan, if we execute that, naga kuha na siya kanang naga-execute na siya lain behavior dynamically because we add and we decorate it through the help of the decorator. And second here we has the adapter again na explain na nako ganiha na ang purpose sa adapter is to um, adapt. Okay, can converts. And here is the purpose makes incompatible interfaces work together. Okay, as can we see here, make the before and after na incompatible sila, and here is naging compatible sila through the use of the adapter. So, used when integrating third-party libraries or legacy code. So, burag ang adapter ang good is pura siya um, they for me, they have the similarities of API. It connects and it adapts through, for communication purposes and any other apps. So part four is we have the behavioral patterns in motion. So I also show here a example between the system. Like this is an example here is weather station. So it the first is without the observer and with the observer. And again, let's read first the what's the meaning or like the description of the behavioral patterns in motion. So we have the observer pattern, loose coupling in action. So display subscribe to weather station. When weather changes, weather station broadcasts to all subscribers. Automatically, it doesn't need to know who's listening. Result, zero coupling, add remove display without touching the weather station. So, um, dali raman mo siya masabtan ang server. It's just like, imagine nga, ang we subscribe an artist. So, that artist is the, the, what we call that, the producer. And we users or we like the fan is the subscriber because we're the one who subscribe again, and also we are the observer. So whenever the artist release a new song, we get the notification on when or he or she release a new album, so we received a notifications. In that way, every time that there's a notification that we received is a kind of observer because we received it, we um what we call that, we not get the notification through our phone. So in this here, just like here also, so without the observer, so loose coupling in action. So this is the weather station and this is the producer because they are the one maintain or like monitors the weather because and we also like subscribe to them, and whenever we uh the weather changes, so we the subscriber and also the observer at the same time, we also the one who gets the notification. So in here, again, I provide two without and with the use of observer. So imagine if we uh without the observer, so we have the action here na manually calls. So imagine mo if the weather station have 1 million subscribers, and of course those who subscribes really needs the time, really needs the really needs the real time real time data that for the weather. So imagine if that data, those data that needs the users to receive in order for them to notify on what's happening on about the weather, is the weather station will manually notifies them about the phone display update with web display update and TV display update. So, ang mahitapuan is magkalangan. So, what if there's a typhoon coming? and then it moabot siya ugma, 'di ba? And then kanang the weather station don't use the observer in the behavioral pattern. So, and then moabot ugma ang bagyo na next day pa sila ang mga subscriber na notify nga na di bagyo, tas gibagyo na. 3 days na sila gibagyo. Tas next day pa nag-notify nga na di bagyo kasi the weather station use the manual calls with kasi in this here we this shows without the use of observer. So luoy ang mga subscriber. So in that way, I mean minsa ingana na ingana na if ingana na ilang buhaton madaot ang weather station because of they are not being real time to the user and they are not being accurate, no? So here is we have the second naman is with the observer. So weather station subject notifies all. So again, you have the observer, this is our method, and this phone display, web display, and TV display. So kani, weather station subject notifies all, na natin notifies all. So whenever the weather changes, so the weather station will change the weather according to what's the weather. And kung unsa ang mga observers nga naa dire, maka-receive sila. Kasi they are under the observer. So like the phone display, web display, and TV display. So 'di ba, dili na mag-manual kasi those who belongs in the observer will get the notification if the weather change. Kasi the weather station is the subject and the observers are the phone display, web display, and the TV display. So again, the result is zero coupling, so we can add remove display without touching the weather code. So that's the benefits of using an observer. So gamit kayo siya. Kasi examples like when we received a friend request in Facebook, we can like um notify who sends the request or like someone who chats us, 'di ba? So mas madali kasi dati 'di ba letter so through the evolution of technology and the observer use of the observer in behavioral pattern. So we manage to get the notification soon as possible. And in this part is we have also the command pattern. So the definition of the command pattern is turns requests into objects. Each command encapsulates an action, its parameters, and the receiver. So the command pattern is flexible, like it has the flexibility. So queue command, undo redo functionality, log operation, execute command remotely. So readability. Also, di ba, kanang we can add a behavior na suppose ha again sa tong character ganihan na he or she can walks, he can do a backflip or whatever it wants as long as it it belongs to the command pattern kasi we have the remote control press button 1 but here our example is remote control and it presses the button 1 and it turn on the light command and it execute. So we can add more command as much as we want. So remote control, press button 2. So turn on TV command. So we have the um, execute here. So real example is a text editor undo redo. Each edit, type, delete, paste is command objected in its stack. So sa example ano is like uh, tawag ano kanang notes and uh, word. So 'di ba if those text editors is naka-embedded na sila ang type, delete, paste. And kung mamali ta, we have the delete and we have the undo and redo. Kasi objected is command objected in attack in a stack. So na belong na siya ba na siya sulod like embedded na siya and then pangit naman 'di ba if makahimutag text and then delete ta maka undo and redo and kuan siya kanang dili siya makatawag og flexibility if that word or like that software don't have the redo and undo. Kasi dili na siya ma-consider as a flexibility, 'di ba? Kasi if flexible siya, maka-undo and redo siya ng mga command, and the word is a very good example of in this scenario. So the benefits is decoup decouples the invoker, so button, from the action, turning on light, easy to add new commands without changing the existing code, 'di ba? Again here, like sinaw kanina, 'di ba, we can add command. Okay, we can turn on the light command, turn off the light command. So we can add here the switch channel command, uh, pause command, or remote control. So press button 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it should be belong in the execute method. So next is part 5, analysis. So here is uh I define the two. We have the factory method. Like in this task kasi is we are given the scenario to design. So we choose I choose two. So we have the factory method and the observer method. And the reason why I choose the factory method is the system needs to create different delivery types. Kasi this is something related to restaurant, and the factory method fits well in this scenario. So standard express same day based on customer's choice and location. So this is the reason why factory method fits well on that given scenario, and the benefits of the factory method is changes in order status, write automatic notifications to all servers, to all of servers, ensuring no tight coupling between the order system and the notification recipients. And it's the factory method kasi it's create different delivery types. So we can add and add and add. Create through the use of the factory method, and the observer pattern is the reason why I choose this one is multiple parties need real-time updates. Di ba? So as it kaniha, according to sa weather, kato sa weather. So if we don't have a real time, so dili accurate ang data na may receive sa atong mga customer, which is the observer, and at the same time the subscriber, kasi they are the one who uses the app. So driver apps or restaurant support dashboard. So in this way, these users, these observers will be able to get a real-time data about on what's happening. So the benefits is when order status changes, prepare, picked up, delivered, all observers get notified automatically. So again, I mean, kana lang, I'm so very redundant about the observer. So that's the basics understanding. The If we find ourselves hard to interpret what's the observer, it's just like notification. If someone's asked what is observer, just say it's notification. And it's even if someone ask factory method, and it's create different delivery types. We can able be complex. We don't need to rely in what on one no um delivery types. We have to be uh flexible. We have to be complex. Okay. So the last part, and it is belong to the analysis, is part 5. Using many patterns always makes software better. And according, I mean, we have, and in this part kasi is we have to disagree and agree. And in my side is I'm like um uh nako sa tunga. Kasi I would disagree if using many patterns sa systems like sa web is dili na po siya maayo if using many patterns to a web. If it depends, 'di ba? Kasi naay mga necessary na mga patterns like behavioral, structural, and the creation ba yun? Something. I mean, creational, yan. Have the creational. So before we create our web, we have to plan it first. kung unsa ang mga need na mga design pattern na gamiton, di ba? Kasi here, if you use too much, if you use too many patterns sa atong web na dili naman need, it just nagdugang-dugang lang siya sa atong mga trabahon. And na other na pod na mga design pattern na dili na siya relevant. Irrelevant na siya sa ato ang kanang web. So, and then sayang lang tong design pattern kasi kung di naman kailangan, the using many patterns in the make software is dili nimo makuha ang better. Okay? In that part, I would disagree if you sing. But I will only agree if we decided like kanang we planned first kung unsa ang mga software na mga gamiton in that way na need sa usa ka web. In that way, it would make it better. And if there's a web system na what we call that, kulang, okay, kulang sa kulang ba ng mga design patterns, behavioral, creational ba, or structural, using patterns can make it better. We can see here that we can make it better. But if we use too much, if many patterns always makes it, but it doesn't mean na if we use many patterns, dili na siya maging better. Ang mahitabo lang ani if we use many patterns, hindi naman necessary, maguba lang ang system or like ma-waste lang ang purpose sa other patterns nga gi-use nga dili naman sila designed for that software. Okay? So in here, I would disagree. I will disagree in here because it doesn't mean na using many patterns can make a software better. I already explained it if we use more patterns, hindi naman necessary. So, dili siya maging better. Maging hard na noon siya, maging lisod na noon siya i-manage. Kasi there are other if we use many patterns, na yung mga patterns na dito na mga useless, pointless. So, what's better approach here is we plan first kung unsa mahitabo in order to using many patterns nga di naman kailangan, and we decide kung unsa na mga patterns ang necessary gamitan for this. And if there's a software na kulang og patterns, so we can decide what's the best pattern or like unsang kulang niya na pattern na observe to ang sample ang PLE kulang og notification. So in that way we can conclude that the VLA, the Dorsal VLA needs the observer design pattern in order for us to get the notification whenever an instructor post a new activity, assignment, or any other announcement. So that's the thing that needs to be improved, diba? Kasi again, it is not necessary. It's not applicable to use many patterns in order for a software to make it better. So that is my point of view, and that's all. Thank you.